guys, we're going to make 2 ice creams. For that, we need 2 flavors. We're going to make strawberry ice cream and chocolate ice cream. For that, we need heavy cream and condensed milk and chocolate powder and raspberries and sugar cone. First, we're going to add the heavy cream. Next, I'm going to beat it. Look guys, the whipping cream is ready. Next, I'm going to add the condensed milk. I'm going to beat it again. I'm going to put half a bit of raspberry. Now I'm going to make chocolate ice cream. Specific. Chocolate ice cream is ready. Now we're going to make the raspberry ice cream. We're going to add the vanilla extract, a little bit, and the raspberry jam. Now we're going to blend. Chocolate ice cream in here and close it and put it in the freezer. Now we're going to close it and put it in the freezer one by one. Is over. Now we're going to check the ice cream. Wow, it's nice. Let's eat. He wanted something to eat. I like you.